Hey guys, today I am working on solving unknown words or words that get me confused while I'm reading by using the context or by using the words and the text around the word I'm trying to solve for. So you can see that I've already set up my page today to help me have success answering my vocabulary question. And to have that success, I opened up my notes section in Mayan and I copy pasted the question that I have to answer today so that I can see the question as I'm reading the text and looking for the answer. My question today is, what is the meaning of the word convinced on page 6? You can also see I've got my book onto page 6 and I used my highlighting tool to highlight the whole paragraph where I found the word convinced. When I'm trying to solve for a word, I really need to read more than just the sentence that the word is included in. I want to read the entire paragraph and make sense of what the author is describing in that paragraph so that I can better solve for the meaning of the word convinced. So the paragraph I'm reading says, at age 9, Simone thought about giving up swimming. She wanted to do dance instead. Simone's mom convinced her to try ballet, but to keep swimming too. Simone took dance until age 11. Then she gave it up. She was ready to focus on swimming. So to solve for the word convinced using this context, what I'm going to do is I'm going to think to myself, what is this paragraph telling me about? Let me think what the author is trying to explain to me. So at age 9, Simone wanted to give up swimming and she wanted to do dance. But her mom, she told her try ballet and swimming at the same time. And so Simone went ahead and took dance until she decided to give it up and focus just on swimming. So I know that this paragraph is about Simone wanting to try something new and her mom suggesting to her to try the new thing but keep swimming as well. And she did. So when her mom suggested that, Simone thought it was a good idea and she followed through. So I know that convinced means to suggest or tell someone to do something and get them to agree. So by thinking about what this paragraph is about, I solved for the meaning of the word convinced. Let's reread through. At age 9, Simone thought about giving up swimming. She wanted to do dance instead. Simone's mom told her about ballet and to keep swimming, and Simone took dance until age 11. So her mom told her something and she followed through with that. So when you convince someone, you suggest something that makes them change their mind. So now I can go ahead and write my answer or write some notes here on my note page so that when I go to my essay writer, I am ready to answer this question. Simone's mom suggested that Simone, let me use a capital, that Simone take dance and swim. Simone agreed. So Simone's mom got Simone to agree with her, and that okay, I'm going to put these notes for myself. Simone's mom suggested that Simone take dance and swim. Simone agreed. So Simone's mom got Simone to agree with her, and that is what it means to convince. To convince someone is to get someone to agree with you. So I am ready to go on to the next part of my question.